so I was trying to put my camera inside the machine so like you guys could see what's inside the machine. I also wanted to see it. But then the stupid guy, okay, as soon as he like just touches, it's about to enter, and then you see this guy just remove it.
No, not this one.
Huh? You don't have to put it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Into this video I've already reached Nairobi and now I'm gonna go to Mombasa with the train. Okay, like it's a new thingy, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna vlog the whole thing, and later I might talk and stuff about my journey in the US and all that. So
No, not this one.
huh? You don't have to put it. Guys, we're in such a hurry. The train closes in a minute. We need to rush. Thought I'd get some good ass footage, but no. So now we're in the train. I wanted to vlog the outside of the train, but then like we were in such a hurry. The lady said like 30 seconds. If you saw earlier, I put some footage, so I was trying to put my camera inside the machine so like you guys could see what's inside the machine. I also wanted to see it. But then the stupid guy, okay, as soon as he like just touches, it's about to enter, and then you see this guy just remove it, and it's so annoying. Guys,
ladies and gentlemen, we are now approaching Imani station. Thank you.
Oh my god, we're reaching Imani station, guys. Look. So as I was saying earlier, like when I was in like USA, it was really hot over there. Now here it's really cold. So like basically over there, like when you're outside, it's so hot, you're literally dying. But then when you go inside, like in a mall or even at home, it's AC, like it's chill. So like when you're inside, it's so cold. When you're outside, it's hot as hell, bro. Like at night, you wake up like at night. Okay, you're going outside at night. You just step out of the house, you feel some hot, thick air touch you. Like I bet if you stay at night for like 10 minutes outside, you start sweating. Someone just random person just walking, started looking at me. Guys, so basically earlier, like while I was recording, my battery got exhausted, so it just stopped recording. But like I even forgot what I was saying. So now I'm gonna try and sleep. Okay, I'm gonna try and sleep. Is the camera lens dirty? Can you guys even see me properly? It's dirty as hell. Is that better? Okay, so I'm gonna go sleep now. I'm trying so hard to sleep. Okay. Good, bro. Guys, so basically I tried to sleep, but I'm too restless. I can't sleep. So we're gonna do the water bottle flip challenge.
Chill, just stop the train, not the train.
Let's try number 1. Okay guys, now it's attempt 2. So far nobody has gotten. It's 0 flips. Second attempt. Okay guys, so like now I'm gonna use my phone to vlog, because apparently this camera is out of battery. Like the battery is over. I need to get new batteries, but yeah, now I'm gonna vlog with my phone. So yep, the quality might be a bit worse, but compromise, guys, compromise.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay, so wait.
What a f.
So apparently Ruby is the winner. This boy wins the game.
No, wait. Chill, I
He's
haven't
won.
done mine.
You already did, man. You missed.
Okay, look.
You already did. You
Put the
missed.
camera.
Okay, this attempt is literally just for fun. He's not gonna do it. Stop acting hard over here, okay?
Chill, man. Just chill.
Just stop,
Chill,
okay?
bro,
Just stop, man.
Chill.
Just stop. Stop, man. Get off.
I want to show your fans something. Arshman. Chill. I want to show them something. Arshman, look. Arshman, I want to show them something. Chill. Arshman, please. Show them something.
What is wrong with this guy? What's wrong with him?
Okay, look, chill. I'm going to show that your fans something good.
So sure, okay. Guys, he wants to show you something cool.
Okay, bring.
No, don't touch my phone, bro.
Okay. Put it up there. Facing the camera facing there.
Yeah. What do you want to show? Guys, I'm just gonna stop vlogging here before this guy acts more funny and more weird. Guys, so basically I am bored as hell. This guy is sleeping. This guy is chilling with his tab, and then you see me doing nothing. Like, I need a hotspot, but this idiot is sleeping and he won't give me hotspot. You know what? Let's wake him up. Let's wake this fool. 1 sec. I'm gonna need this. Wake up, man. It's coming. Yo, guys. The army guys are coming. Calm down, bro. Give me hotspot. Hotspot, man.
Bro, when we reach Mombasa, you will have a free hotspot.
Bro, can you give me hotspot?
Bro, I hardly have 50
I don't
MBs,
give
bro.
a damn, man. Give me hotspot.
Bro, I have to use it for the entire Mombasa trip, bro.
Can you give me hotspot?
Can you give me mobile?
I'll get, bro, chill, man. 5 minutes only.
Bro, you're gonna finish it.
Bro, my notifications are gonna blast, man. I need.
That's what I'm saying, it's gonna finish.
Bro, people are texting me, man.
So if you don't
I wanna
text them
reply
back,
to
it's
their
better,
text.
bro. They're your fans.
Bro, Bro, put your password. Put your password, man. Is it 2580? Put your password, bro. Wi-Fi for 5, hotspot for 5 minutes, G.
Okay, fine.
5, bro. Thanks, man. Thanks, G. It's on. Is it on?
But I'm changing the password.
Okay, guys, time to stop vlogging because I get to use hotspot thanks to this guy. Guys, this thing is the best selfie. Take a look. You can take a dope selfie, okay? And it also comes with filters. Look at this filter, guys. Even Snapchat doesn't have these filters. Look at this filter.
Bro, look at
This
this. You look
thing-
so dope.
Look at this. I look so dope.
Bro, I was taking a selfie of myself.
Apparently. Guys, this thing is lit. If you ever want to take some lit selfies, you need to buy this thing. You need to buy
we can steal it from here for you for free. If you want, order, please.
this, man. Guys, we have reached
The blue one.
Mombasa.
Stop.
But now